Hello guys, this is our food now. The pork barbecue. Pero we only order this from the restaurant here in Oregon City. And this one is my husband cook. Veggie. It is chayote and brinjal, eggplant, I mean. This is our food for today. As you can see, veggie, the balls, and pork barbecue, pork tonight. Okay guys, let's eat. Thank you. Bye-bye.